Got my friend Corey putting a new head gasket on Big Turd. Feeling any better? Yeah, I told him we was fixing to leave here in just a minute. Got my rubber mat in from the junkyard. It's not perfect, but it's good enough, and I'm real proud of it. I'm going to stand over here. Try to get out of Corey's way. Wound up having to get antifreeze, head gasket set, and plugs, wires, distributor cap, rotor button, anything that it needs. I'm going to stick on Big Turd. Oh yeah, look at these plugs. I don't know when they've been changed last. I wonder what brand that is. I guess they've been changed. I was wondering if it said AC on it. But it might down there in that black crap, but I'm not going to. Pretty bad. Anyway, just thought I'd show you what we're doing over here. Or Corey and Tim are working here at Gas Axe Chop Shop, 10 Mile, Tennessee. Look him up on Facebook. Gas Axe Chop Shop. See you later.